Alright, so Reggae Sumfest 2022, and I'm here with the lovely Ishawna.
Hi.
Ishawna, you just go on with yourself on the stage. What was that like coming back after, the break from Sumfest? Because you're Sumfest darling,
Well, it's always a good feeling, it's performing, doing what I love, and it's just something that I enjoy, to be honest. It's just, you can't explain, just the adrenaline and just interacting with your fans and hearing them sing your music. You put your all into what you do as an artist, and it's a good feeling all around.
Ishawna, what is the key to looking this good? What is it? What is the magic?
I don't know, maybe...
Maybe what?
Just
clean art?
Clean art.
Yeah.
No man problem.
Well, you say no man problem during the pandemic, Ishawna?
No man problem.
Alright, so...
That is the biggest key, you know what I mean? Stress-free.
Alright, so you put yourself together?
Yes, of course, you can sell a stylist.
Oh my, I love it.
Thank you.
I love it. Like, what was the other suggestions? Like the things where they work for us and maybe
This was the first plan.
Oh, and you just work with it and say, yeah,
no, actually, this was the first plan, and then I got backup plans because I was booked 7 days before the event.
Oh, yeah, because...
Yeah, so when I got this, I got the wig custom made, and I got it made in LA, and then while I was waiting, just naturally, I'm like, you know what, let me get some backup thing and whatever. But this was, from a thing about it,
Yeah. Would you say that Ishawna is synonymous with controversy?
I would say that. Yeah.
What about just kind of pushing the boundaries like gets you off in terms of your creativity?
I don't think. Would you say I push the boundaries? Would you say that?
I think you can push it, but you kind of go like, like I feel if you could have really have your way.
Me kick it down.
Oh God, okay.
Anything we do, we just do it all out.
King for the summer. Flow, you are the king for the flow. Some summer 60 mil cash and prize for the winners. Enough winnings, make sure you're in it.
Win your share of over $60 million in cash and prizes. Scratch your phone and win instant prize, plus a chance for win weekly prize of cash, tablets, and smart TVs. Dial *129 number sign to activate any unlimited social plan. Get a yard and road plan or pay your bill on time and in full to win.
Flow, some summer. Plenty prize in a flow some summer.
Conditions apply.
Okay.
Yeah.
So how did you get like that? 'Cause remember when you start out in the business, you were just like, you're almost like a Disney artist. You're like, you're kind of cute. No, it is stush to the music, man. Even when you talk about things, you were kind of stush, but I realize later on, I say, yo, I'm not apologize, I'm not hold back.
I just want to be myself.
What went through your mind when you decide to so bring on like the placard of the Christopher Tufton and Andrew Holness?
I can't get them in person.
I'm bound to too.
Yes, of course. I knew that. I had to incorporate them. Of course, I have the song "Single and Quarantine," and everybody loved the song. And it's just fun, entertainment, being creative, doing something that's never been done before.
Yeah.
And I had other things that I planned for my show, for my intro, but we had technical difficulties.
Yeah.
But overall, what for us leave. We have to leave something memorable.
Yeah,
so
yeah, like a VMA type of moment.
Yeah, so it's like, you're going to do your song them and you're going to perform it and people going to love your song them, but leave them with something.
Yeah.
But them to remember the Sumfest there. Remember the Sumfest where I should sit down in the cardboard face.
Oh, God. People will remember that. I was watching and I was just like in disbelief. I couldn't believe what was happening. But then I couldn't believe what was happening. But one of the things that I want for that touch upon, is that Ishawna, I'm a supporter. I love your music. I want to list of Vroom Vroom. I said, no man, the song you ain't have one.
Listen, I get perform half of my song them.
I don't like that.
The thing is we have it's a show organized and everybody have a certain time and if you go over, that person get messed up and the show have to go up. Yes, everything is not like just a regular show. This is a production, and people are streaming it and things have to go as planned,
Ishawna, for your fans them, like we gotta talk on behalf of your fans them, like, can you just not do the little peekaboo, come in and we just want you just stick with it for a little while? Because it's like you just come kill the place. No, you kill the place and then you just like...
Girl in a days. Remember
Ishawna, man.
Yesterday, no?
Ishawna.
Uno for crave me. I like when you crave me.
So you just like yearn for Ishawna?
I love when you crave me. I rather you crave me than tired of me. You're rude.
Yeah, because Ishawna never cried in.
Who did they trick me?
We say Ishawna never cried in.
Can't Clyde. Can't get enough.
Okay.
Can't get enough a girl.
Let me whine on your body. Reset on me.
So you were saying, the song has been streaming, the fans them love it.
Yes, it's crazy. It's like 3 million streams already in less than a month.
Some music video soon?
Of course, we're doing that right now, and of course I'm dropping look out for the video with me and Ed Sheeran. It's going to be crazy. Brace it. And then, of course, I'm dropping 2 new singles on Wednesday, Promising Legacy and Somebody. Double bubble pan them nastiness, you know. Cause remember I have song for Stone Dog, you know.
Actually, just give the people them
problem.
all of it. I know, so this is going to cause controversy right now, right after your performance.
So I go. I am controversy.
Okay.
I must say all of the stardom have controversy from Kim Kardashian go right down.
All right, and you're following in good suit.
No man, it just come with the territory. It is what it is. Well-behaved women don't make history, sweetheart.
Wow. Okay, watch out that. This is a quotable line. Anyway, Ishawna, thank you so much for the interview and all the best for your career.
Yeah, come on.
Jesus Beam.
Diamond.
All right. Bye-bye, Ishawna. Just blow a kiss to the burritos them out there. See them?
Them know somebody that perform. See that the titty drop off.
Watch out, good. What was that? You see me straight in order. Now we good, make it prosper. Can't just see out in the order. What was that now? Watch out. Take that beer in. Drop it back. If you're not bad, nobody sing that song, yeah. If you're bad, nobody sing that song, yeah. A beer bad girl come from a beer, no. What was that, no? What was that? I gotta make a share, man. She could have been like she has to share, man. Man, let her cheerful, give her big, yeah. Try and understand, she has to share, man. She could have been like terrible. Get sexy. I don't know. More get sexy now. What the girl in there with sex appeal? What was that now, lady? Our time, right? Going to the sickness song, you know. And the sexy time of the morning now. Sing out now. What was that now? Mama, 9 years old, I'm not happy. All for tears did not touch my body. Temper a race and I'm feeling naughty. Tonight I might get fun, but no sorry. So for this one time, me and one camera and your life. Take away that man to your night. Return him back in at the morning. My body a call, I'm a manica. Need to love it, yeah. So jump the wall, I'm hung up at the yard. If I some best me in tonight. Someone you give it to me tonight. Yeah, I didn't want to cheat tonight, but I couldn't. What did she know? No, what was that?
Brought to you by Flow, Grand Palladium Resorts and Spa, and Red Stripe. Drink responsibly.